Hi everyone, welcome to Sweet Home Vibes. Hope you all are safe. In today's video, I am going to share with you my iftar routine. This is a simple iftar vlog comprising of a dessert, a snack item and chicken biryani. Firstly, preparing the dessert, that is mango custard. It has to be kept in the refrigerator at least 1 hour before serving. Take one mango and peel the skin off. For half liter of milk, I have taken one mango. If you want to increase the quantity of the dessert, adjust the ingredients accordingly. Cut the mango into small pieces. A ripe mango is better to make the custard. Add the pieces into the grinding jar and make a puree out of it. Here I have taken half liter milk. Let the milk come to a boil. Add half cup sugar to it and let the sugar melt completely. Make a slurry using half cup milk and 3 teaspoons custard powder. Add this to the milk and stir continuously, otherwise it may get lumps. The custard has thickened now. Off the flame and let it cool completely. Add the mango puree into the custard and mix. Once again blend it to a smooth paste. Garnish with chopped dry fruits of your choice. Here I have taken chopped pistachios and almonds. Very easy yet delicious mango custard is ready. The next recipe is a snack item, that is bread pakoda. Take 2 potatoes and peel their skin. Cut the potatoes into large pieces. And boil them. Add half teaspoon salt to it while boiling. After the potatoes are well cooked, mash them and add a teaspoon of salt, 2 chopped green chilies, chopped mint and coriander leaves, half teaspoon lemon juice. Mix them. Add a teaspoon roasted cumin powder. You can also add chaat masala as a substitute to lemon juice. Mix it till well combined. To make pakoras, take 1 cup gram flour, add a teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon carom seeds, and a pinch of baking soda. Add required water to get this consistency. Take bread slices and cut their edges. Put the potato mixture onto one slice and spread. Cover it with another slice and cut into 2 triangles as shown. Make as many as required. Dip the bread into the batter. And fry in hot oil. Fry them till they get golden color. Turn their sides with the help of a fork. They are well fried now. Take them into a serving platter. Now let's start preparing biryani. This is 750 grams basmati rice. Wash the rice 2 to 3 times and soak it in enough water for an hour. Chop 3 large sized onions. Slit 5 to 6 green chilies. Take half cup oil in a pressure cooker. To save time, I am cooking the chicken in pressure cooker. Add the spices to the oil. Add the onions to oil. And fry till they get golden color. Add the chicken pieces and fry in oil. Here I have taken 750 grams of chicken. Add the green chilies and 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Mix it. Take 1 tablespoon of biryani masala powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon chicken masala powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder and half teaspoon turmeric. Add this to the chicken and mix well. Add a cup of yogurt to it and mix. Let the juices from the chicken get released. Add half cup water to it and close the lid. Let the chicken cook completely. To cook the rice, I have taken 3 liters of water and add 3 bay leaves, 2 cardamom pods, 4 cloves, 2 small cinnamon sticks and a teaspoon of shahjeera, a tablespoon of oil and 2 teaspoons of salt. Let the water boil. Add rice to the water and let the rice cook up to 80%. The rice is cooked now. Strain the rice and keep it aside. The chicken is cooked. Add the juice of 2 lemons and mix. Divide the chicken into 2 portions. A layer of chicken, then a layer of rice. Add chopped coriander and mint leaves. Repeat this process. You can even add brown onions if you wish to. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Close the lid and keep it on low flame for up to 10 to 15 minutes. And now the biryani is ready to serve. What could be more satisfactory to have your favorite food after a long day of fasting? And to go with biryani, I prepared raita. So this was my iftar routine. I have kept all the recipes very simple. Do try it and let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, please click the like button and share it among your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Remember me in your prayers. Assalamu alaikum.